words everywhere. You can create magic every day if the magic words you don't forget to say. Gilly, gilly, choo. Really? And how is that? Hello everyone. Come, let me take you to the land of magic words. When you see something you want, remember what to say. Here it comes, the magic word. You can use it every day. Please, please, please. Yes, this is the magic word. Start using it today. Mama, may I have a candy? No. How about you, magic word? Please, Mama, please, may I have candy? Yes, you may. Yeah, take it. Thank you.
So, remember, if you want something, say please.
Always use the magic word please. When you get someone to help, remember what to say. Here it comes, the magic word. You can use it every day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, this is the magic word. Start using it today. I cannot find my red crayon. You can take this. Did we forget a magic word? How about using the magic word thank you? Thank you, Dhanush. Thank you can bring a beautiful smile. So, always remember to say thank you when someone helps you. When we make a mistake, remember what to say. Here it comes, the magic word. We use it every day. Sorry, sorry. Yes, this is the magic word that using it today. God! Ouch! It hurts. Oh no, don't run away. How about using the magic word sorry?
Sorry, Anjali.
It's alright. When you hurt someone, say sorry. Remember to say sorry when you make a mistake. When you sneeze, achoo, cough, or yawn. When you sneeze, cough, or yawn, remember what to say. Here it comes, the magic word. You can use it every day. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Yes, this is the magic word that using it today. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Remember the magic words. Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. They make one feel important. These magic words also make us feel loved and respected. Be polite and always use the words sorry, thank you, please, and excuse me. Who's am